Hi, today in front of me OPPO Find X2 Neo, and I'll show you the face unlock test on this device. So I just set up my face recognition a couple of minutes ago, and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my face, and we'll see how fast this feature is and does it works. So let's start. Now we can see that our device unlocked successfully, but I'll just activate the feature to directly unlock the device. Don't stay on the home lock screen after the unlocking. So now let's just try once again. So as we can see, we just unlock it successfully. 2, 3, 4, 5. So as we can see, the face unlock feature works here fast and correct. We just unlocked the device less than in 1 second, and this is the good result for the face unlock. I just suggest you to try this unlock method, but don't forget that the face unlock is less secure than the pin code or passcode unlock methods. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.